Yeah, deep breath. I know. I know, life is rough, dude, huh? Yeah. Well, hello and welcome to day one of Project Auction Kart. As you can see here, we've already started tearing this thing down, and it's already got a head start on this. But before we do, I just want to give you a little background on what has aspired here and what is going to aspire. So I bought this thing at auction for $477 and spent about $50 in gas to go get it. I believe it to be a 2011 Intrepid rocket cart, but I have no idea what I'm looking at here, so I've never owned one of these. Don't touch that, buddy. Yeah, don't touch that. No, it's not for you. Why don't you hey, come play with your truck. Yeah, why don't you come play with your truck? Oh, yeah. All right. So, as I was saying here, what 2011 Intrepid rocket cart, but I have no idea. I've never owned one of these, so this should be an endeavor. As far as the motor goes, I'm kind of leaning towards the cheaper route and going with the Predator 212 from Harbor Freight. Maybe getting a stage one of their stages at least. There you go. Yeah. Sorry, Mom. Yeah, you gotta stay up here, bud. Alright, well, I guess any money that I spend on this thing I plan on getting from auctions. Let's go eat. Alright, as I was saying, any money that I spend on this thing I plan on obtaining from auctions that I have bought. So this might take a while, but we can at least start tearing it down. Figure that out later. Oh, we got everything but one bolt out and one bearing.